video is a demo of the training, the whole training manual I put together for people that are not really computer savvy and have a lot that they want to learn about computers. So first I'm going to show you how your desktop works. And this is just a sample of all the things I'm going to show you and how it'll basically look. So first I'm going to right click on my computer, hit properties, and you'll first see desktop properties, display properties, which is themes here. You can see the changes as I select them, and that's telling to go online to show you some things. You can also go online to get different things. I'm going to leave it as my current theme. You can hit this desktop, and as you see the background. You won't see the icons. The icons are doesn't have anything to do with your background. This is all you're changing here. You can click on home, and you can see the different ones as you click on them in the monitor. Also, there's another. Not only can you position it to center, you can do tile, this is what it'll look like. There's no background, it's just that one image, and it's over and over again in different tiles. You can do stretch, where this is the whole background. Also with tile, or not tile, I'm sorry, center, where it's just one thing in the center. I want to show you. Use a good one that has color. Well, I can actually use this one. I'm going to select the background to be black, and if I hit apply, you'll see that the background went black. And it's just the icon, and you can see my desktop including this image. I'm going to leave it like that because it makes things a little more clearer on the computer. I want you guys to be able to see. So actually I'm going to put my logo there and just leave black behind it. Also, the colors, you have all type of options. You see, you can change it there. You're going to go next to screensaver. Screensaver is used to save power on your monitor. So you have an arrow down, the same as in desktop background. You can select different options here. And you can also do, right here it says a slideshow of the images on my desktop. So you'll see a slideshow of all the images that's on your computer when your screensaver comes up. You can also change the time. You can click here. I have mine set for 30 minutes, so if I don't touch my mouse and keyboard for 30 minutes, my screensaver will pop up. Appearance. Your appearance. Here you have options here for the style, the classic style, which is for Windows 2000, and then for XP they came up with the pretty blue. I like that, so I keep that. You can do olive green, change it to olive green here. You can also change it to silver. I'm going to stick with the olive blue. The olive blue. The blue, default blue, which is very pretty to me. I like that color. Font size is normal. Large it will look like this, and then extra large will look like this. I'm going to do the large just so things will look clear to you guys, just on the demo and on the other trainings that you'll purchase. I'm going to hit apply so you can see the changes it's made. Okay, I'm going to go back and make that back black. popping up on my computer that I'm working on. Settings. This page is for this section in the desktop display is for you have options to have dual monitors on this computer. Other computers you will not. So it depends on the video card that you have in your computer. This one is able to have dual monitors, which is 2 monitors. This is my primary and this is my secondary. If you have to make sure you have this extend my Windows desktop onto this monitor checked to be able to use those monitors, and to make the screens have the same look and feel, you want to make sure the resolution is the same on both. So you can play around with it and make it the same on both. Which I'm not going to extend it because I don't actually have 2 hooked up, but I can show you what it will look like if there's only one. So I'm going to pause this video for a minute and then I'll be right back to show you what the other screen looks like with only one. Okay, we're back, and now you're looking at a totally different screen where the video card is not dual capable. It is not dual monitor capable, and this is what that one will look like. You won't have that option to toggle back and forth between pages. You can use no 1 and 2. It's just this one, and you still have the option to do the screen resolution and the color quality for 16 to 32-bit. You always want to leave it on 32-bit. So that's the end of showing you the display properties. I'm going to close this. I'm also going to show you how to create folders on your desktop. You right click, properties. You right click, new, folders. I'm going to name that temp. And now you have your folder. That's all you have to do to create a folder. You can open it. Also from here you can access any of these places, directories here. My computer, documents, desktop, network places. You can create a folder inside of a folder by right clicking, folder, temp 2. And say you don't want this folder inside this folder. You can drag it and drop it outside to the desktop. I'm going to close this folder. So now you have 2 folders, 1 and 2. To delete these folders, you right click them and you hit delete. There's 2 ways to delete. You can right click and delete, or you can click on it, hold down the shift key, hit the delete, and delete. The difference between right clicking and hitting delete and clicking on it, holding down the shift and the delete key, when you right click and delete, it goes to your recycle bin. You see the paper sticking out of the recycle bin now. And here's the folder here. I'm going to restore that folder. It'll go right back to your desktop. Normally I would empty it, but just to show you, I'm going to restore it. But where's 2? 2 has been deleted permanently from this computer. So if you highlight it, hold down a shift and hit delete, that's permanently deleting it. If you right click it and hit delete, it goes to your recycle bin. Once it's in your recycle bin, this is still collecting. If it was something in here like files in here, this will still be counting up on your hard drive. This will still add to the sizes, take up space on your hard drive. So you want to make sure you go check your recycle bin. If you're just right clicking and deleting things, you want to make sure to go to your recycle bin and empty it. Now that folder is completely gone, and there's no little paper sticking out of there letting you know something's in the recycle bin. I'll put that recycle bin here. Create another folder just to make sure you've seen that. I'm going to leave it as new folder, but I can drag and drop it in there. I don't have to right click it. I can drag and drop it. Now you see there's paper in there. When I remove it, close it, there's no paper. Now there's paper, which lets you know that you're putting something in a recycle bin. So I'm going to move that, and you can move your icons just like I'm moving this by clicking on it, holding it down, and let it go. Move your mouse, let it go. Click it. That's it. Let it go. And that's it for your desktop settings and how to use your desktop. I'll look forward to seeing you in future trainings and other trainings. Thank you.